AI is rapidly evolving, and industries are experiencing a major shift. From fully autonomous agents with zero human intervention to intelligent robots redefining defense and manufacturing, technology is rewriting the rules of productivity and safety. Autonomous agents, transforming heavy industries. Autonomous agents, capable of making decisions without human intervention, are revolutionizing industries where safety and efficiency are critical. In mining, autonomous trucks and drills work 24/7, reducing human risk. On oil rigs, AI systems monitor and respond to anomalies, preventing hazardous situations. In construction, autonomous cranes and machinery boost productivity with minimal error. Key benefit: increased efficiency, enhanced safety, cost savings. Agentic approach for enhancing LLMs. The agentic approach is reshaping how large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT and Claude interact with the world. By enabling LLMs to make decisions, filter data, and act on tasks without constant human prompts, this approach offers automated content generation and summarization, data-driven insights with minimal supervision, personalized customer support solutions. Agentic LLMs can now power autonomous customer service, market analysis, and decision-making systems. Intelligent robots, redefining defense and beyond. Intelligent robots are pushing the boundaries of automation, especially in high-stakes environments like defense and public safety. Defense, autonomous surveillance drones and robotic dogs for threat detection. Manufacturing, Boston Dynamics robots handling complex assembly tasks. Healthcare, robotic assistants aiding in surgeries and patient care. Key innovation: AI-powered object recognition, precision movement, real-time environmental analysis. The ethical considerations of autonomous AI. As AI systems take on more responsibility, ethical considerations become vital. Bias and fairness. Are the algorithms unbiased and ethically trained? Accountability. Who is responsible for errors or failures in autonomous systems? Job displacement. How do we balance automation with human employment? Innovation must align with ethical responsibility to build trust and fairness in AI. Real-world examples and success stories. Several companies are already leading the charge. Tesla, using autonomous robotics in their gigafactories for vehicle assembly. Boston Dynamics, pioneering robotics in defense and manufacturing. Amazon, revolutionizing warehousing with Kiva robots. These innovations prove that autonomous technology is not the future, it's happening now. Future outlook. What's next for autonomous tech? Looking ahead, autonomous agents and intelligent robots will continue to reshape industries. Fully automated smart cities with AI-managed traffic and utilities. Advanced defense systems powered by real-time threat analysis. AI-powered medical diagnostics and robotic surgery assistance. The next decade will be defined by collaborative intelligence, AI working alongside humans for a smarter world. Ready to stay ahead in the world of autonomous innovation? Subscribe for the latest updates on AI technology. Share your thoughts below. What excites you most about autonomous tech? Turn on notifications for more insights into the future of AI.